now for today, maybe a little bit shorter, and let's see. So yeah, this is where we're currently at. I did some work on I got this carbon cost curve here, and now I'm thinking about how to. Earlier I was thinking about how to fix this kind of the scaling thing, or kind of like those number labels in the sides or whatever, like how to make all of this fit together. But for now I think I'm gonna try to, let's see here, get the past emissions to the graph, and with that get the new start values for fossil fuels and land use emissions. So I have here in the, like, these emissions that I use, these are from the global carbon project, but I think these are just like the fossil fuel emissions. They don't have, like, in, I don't think they have in this, at least in this particular graph, they don't have or this particular, like, Excel sheet, they don't have what would you call they don't have those land use emissions. So I'm gonna try to find out, like, I have to download another data file from here somewhere. Let's actually see here, global carbon budget data. Maybe this is this is store. That's here. This seems familiar. Okay, they don't have the direct link here actually. Carbon budget 2021. This is from, actually, I'm gonna see, starting to think that what are the latest that I've been using myself. What values do they have, 2020 or 2021? Okay, maybe this is not so useful, but they should have here somewhere. They should have a more direct link here somewhere. Global carbon budget 2021. Yeah, maybe data sources. Okay, this is the same link again. Okay, this seems familiar. So yeah, so I think it's so I have this lower file here, I think. So I would also need to have this file, but let's see first, like, what's this about, like, what do they have here? Historical budget. But I wonder what this, like, I think they have yeah, these are just like some very old numbers, I suppose. They have until 2020. Yeah, global carbon budgets. Maybe they have more like this historical budget. Maybe it's maybe they have, like, different data sources here, that it's not so not so reliable as it goes back so much in the past, so it's probably better to use this global excluding carbonation. I just wonder like which one of these are the correct ones, because it's been such a long time since I've been playing around with this stuff. They have 2020 as the latest. Fossil emissions by category. So I think I need to show the historical emissions for total and land use both, so I think I need both of these. So let's try to read this in. So I'm gonna use this, and here I have like, here I've made I'm gonna use this same code file here where I've been creating this population data, and I think this mostly population data, so I think this, yeah, it's only population data so far, those predictions and those also those past populations, but so maybe just copy here, this work. Yeah, that seems similar, so we're gonna replace this one here, and then we're gonna create this kind of null file here, and oh, I have to stop this one. So gonna try to download it, and we got something out of it. Okay, so now let's see what kind of sheet are we. So it should be, sheet should be called global carbon budget. And we're gonna skip at least first 20 first 20 of these is there some error here? I'm gonna try to reset this here. Okay. So yeah, yeah, let's see what this does. Notified function read Excel, so I think that's part of I wonder if it's part of this one. Let's see. I'm just gonna run this one here now, so we definitely get it. And okay, so we're looking at, okay, this works fine. So the first one is here, and I don't think we need any of the stuff that comes here, even though it can be interesting, but this budget imbalance is quite interesting. I think it shows somehow. I wonder what it means, because it's quite large here. Like, because, well, I'm thinking that it's to do with yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's not so. I hope it's not important. I'm not gonna go there now. Okay, so let's see how this works. Yeah, and they're gonna let's have a bit shorter name. And it's I don't know what to call this. And then we're gonna remove so we only need from 1 to 3. We have 8 variables. What? Oh, okay, I did a mistake. So we need it's like this. Okay. Okay, but okay, what's oh. Okay, and then you need to do let's see here. You need to modify those. Okay, do they have these here? Oh, I don't think. I think it's kind of standard. These are numeric. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm gonna need to multiply everything by, let's say, 3 points. Yeah, like this. Here I wonder, would it be better to have this? Should I have these as kind of like, what's the little bit different form? They're gonna be stacked on top of each other, but I don't think it really matters that they. I don't think it really matters how they overlap. Well, actually, now that I think about it, like what's like here, the net is the sum of those total. Okay, then yeah, I don't think they should like you don't really need to go on to, so I'm gonna maybe keep these as separate variables. So we're gonna calculate the net. And then we're just gonna do this for all of those. So and yeah, here I think I have to make this kind of let's see what. Okay, so it's the same thing as with those previous things, that it's good to have. It's good to have those in my own computer, like in separate files, so that let's see how it reads. Yeah, okay, that seems about right. And we notice here that actually, okay, this is a bit different than what I've been expecting. So, or kind of like, I think I thought that it would be that the net emissions would have been like 42 gigatons in the past few years. So now it's a little bit lower than I had thought. Also quite interesting progression here. I don't know if this is too small for you, but like the land use sector emission has gone down quite a bit, but I think there's very much like uncertainty around the land use emissions, so you cannot really rely on it at all, I think. Okay, now I wonder, like, do I want to make, I think there has to be a different it's not gonna be inside this system, because this is always built for those simulation, or kind of like this new stuff. So it's not gonna work here. I wonder if I can just put it here. Also, so let's try let's try putting it here like this. So you just add the data is this, and then from that data we have we have the Y as fossil and oh, actually I think they have to. What's actually happening here? Oh. They're not on top of each other here, so I don't think they. Yeah, they shouldn't not be on top of each other here either. Yeah, I think so. X is here. We have feel as fos. So some. And we can have so that year is. So year should be more bigger than 1990. So. Let's try this now. Okay, yeah, okay, it seems to work. This also, like, I think this is I'm glad that I did this now, because there's some issue here also that oh, okay, I should use the same. I have this. Okay, I'm gonna, sorry, not showing you, but yeah, here it's showing like those fossil emissions, but the thing is that it's not how do you say, it's not scaled at all, so I'm gonna use the same scaling as they have here, so like this. Yeah, and now it's a little bit annoying that I have different name here for the negative or those UCF. So, and this is probably maybe not incorrect. So, and the same for net. Okay, and so I should try to make this similar. Let's see, like this is about I should just put here. Oops. So Y is the fossil. Yeah, have a little bit higher. The Same thing for these lines. Know if I need these points really. I think this is a bit redundant. So you can have this price here. So just like this, add this. Okay. Yeah. I also wonder like what I want to do with those years between, like now, like the budgets they start. I have to like figure this out at some point, but the budgets they start at the budgets they start at 2020, and I already have 2020 emissions. So I think it's better to choose so that maybe it could read here besides those budgets that how much is left since the beginning of whatever this year here is. And maybe have the possibility to start from 2020, and then this would like align here, and the 2020 would be the earliest year to start. I don't think there's any reason why it should be year 2000. Well, 2020 is kind of stupid also, but it kind of makes sense in that if you want to really, you can see like how the alignment happens there. Okay, here I'm a little bit conflicted about the starting value now, because the 2020 values, they are not very realistic. So let's look at these ones here. Like 2019, it's 36.7. The total value, and 40.5 is kind of like the net value. So I think I would be more comfortable to use these as the starting values. And yeah, it's interesting to see, like, I think that when the project is gonna be ready, we are gonna have what's the data over here? Yeah. So when the project is ready, we will have 2021 values. So that makes it easier, because I think the 2021 values, they will be more kind of like online with what's the trend value at this point. I don't think the 2020 it's like the first COVID year when we had like lots of shutdown for the industry and so on. So let's put here So year is 2019 and we have fossil here. And for start, you have the okay, that makes, how does it make it look? Are they does it work? I'm a little bit skeptical. PPAA year is, I suppose the year is yeah, it's numeric. So what's the thing here? Maybe they are where they should be. I think they are. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I believe. I wonder if we should also like start here even earlier, like let's put here something else, like this should be past year, and then we're gonna define it later. So let's set here past year is 1960. I think that was I think it was like from 59 or something, this. Yeah, this seems quite fine. What about 1970? I think we have to balance. Yeah, but yeah, this could be something that at least like some kind of hidden option, hidden like a selection to choose what year to start from here. 1980. I'm gonna put 2020 here for now. Let's be a little bit generous. Yeah, it looks a lot better, I think, that way. At least for now that the project is gonna or we're in the middle of the project. Okay, we have now the past emissions and we have start values. So yeah, I think I might want to ponder about the same thing I did before, that is this the scales and kind of like the scale markers in the, I don't know what do you actually call those. I should know. But you have those numbers here on the side that you go like from -50 to 100. So I could also leave here, like if I want to, like, because I was thinking that I could just have, instead of having the markers in the sides, I could have here inside, I could have it next to the first value and the last value, but I think it's not gonna work here because there's lots of values that start here at this instant. So okay, what if we set the 2020? Okay, yeah, look at this. It kind of like seems natural. And now I have to kind of make the connection between these, so there's going to be less carbon budget left if you yeah, the later the starting year, the less carbon budget there's left, and I will have to figure out how to make this connection. There should also be, I'm gonna make a note, so ability to choose, this is quite obvious. Emissions and sinks at start year. So then I wonder, like, if the reader or the user, if they choose some emissions at the start year, then what kind of emissions am I gonna assume for the years in between those years? Like, would they remain the same as they are, or would there be this kind of linear connection between those years? So yeah, I have to create this data, and then like, and that's kind of like important choice, because that defines then like how much of the carbon budget is taken away. And here also, like, this kind of like reminds me that it's it could be important to have like better selection, or like more flexible selection on this more flexible selection on the shape of this emission reduction curve, because now it's not really like in this small budget, like this is gonna be like 300 gigatons actually, like when it's all said and done. And I think you need. Well, I don't know. I'm just like worried that there's going to be too much for the LAN sync to handle, or the LAN sync can't really handle all of this. Like it's gonna be here same for, yeah. Yeah, and then it's gonna like, it gets these weird shapes. Okay, so let's think about making this this one here. And this is gonna be in reaction to these. I'm just wondering, like, do I need this? Do I need this data set? And also, why is this? Okay. It's also weird that these things work. Like how? Okay. But maybe I can do it here. So there's the start here thing. So what's the input there? Okay, first year's simulation here. Then it's gonna be what's gonna be the last year? First year simulation, and that's gonna be like the end year of this intermediate, or the second to last year to this intermediate. I wonder if I can just take from here, like the have last year go. So that's like maximum value of the year, or the kind of like last value of the year. So what do we get? Okay, it's 2021 L. What do you mean 2021 L? So let's have it numeric. Why is there this L? Okay, now it's, so we have that one. So we're gonna make last year. So this is not gonna be the first one either. But I wonder if we need at this point when we are making the data, we're gonna need those data points. Like if you want to make some but if we just keep constant emissions, so then it would be, so let's just do that for now. So it goes from here to here, minus okay, -1 here. So like that. So those are the years, and then we need we're gonna need the length of this. So, oops. Can we just go like this? And then we have I'm gonna take the values here where we have it, like start and L start. Yeah, those values. Start and L start. Come on, where was I? Okay, here. So start times LL. So that's gonna be the fossil for this one. And then we have pool CF, so that's gonna be L start times this, and then you put this together. so maybe it's like this. Here I'll fossil CF. I suppose it's like this. I wonder if this messes up something. Okay, maybe not. Like we're gonna define the fossil again here, but then it's gonna enough. Okay, I'm just gonna try to put it here now. So should we then we should also have. So internet is okay, and now we have this, and we should use it, able to use it in very same way as we have here. let's try this. So we have data is in there, and do we have anything? I don't think we don't put any restrictions on the year. We just use this. So here we fixed. Okay, and we have to do everything. No, yeah, we have to do the whole process of. I wonder like how well could I like automate this process. I'm just gonna try this first without the length. Okay, it's let's try again. Enter not found. Maybe it's S data frame. Do we have here? S data frame. Also, maybe I need to have it in there as data table here. Replacement has 0 rows, data has 2. Maybe you need to do data has 10. I don't know. Again, it's so annoying that you cannot really. I'm gonna try to take this out from here. So I'm gonna test this. Input year. So let's see, here we have 2022. We have last year. Yeah, it might be that. I was thinking placement has 0 rows. Oh. So this would go 2022 -1. Okay, the last year is so this can go below 0 quite easily. But we can make this whole process kind of depend on like if this is needed and if this is greater than 0, this result. So only in that case we would produce this intermediate graph. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's shut this down. Fossil start is 2021. Okay, not start. It's whatever 37, and this is, let's say, 3, and it's a data frame of 1 variable. That's not right. Year. So we have length. Why does it giving me these 2L things? What's like, I don't think I have had this before. Ah, come on. Ah. What? Come on, what's happening? Yeah. Okay. No. Maybe it was data. Okay. Okay. So data frame here, and then we have here as numeric. Let's see if that solves. It's up here. Yeah, I don't get why this wouldn't be a numeric to begin with. So I'm gonna take all of this out. Can run T fossil not found. What? Okay, I think I know what's. I hope I know what's the issue here. Yeah, these are. What? Specify here X is year, like is this also integers, yeah. Should it be year L? Let's do this for now. Okay, it works. It works. So let's see, we go here. Okay, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? So it should have a lot. The length should be dependent on, or I think there's gonna be error here. No, it doesn't react at all. It doesn't react to inputs at all, I think. Wait a minute. Where did I do this? Did I change it? Why is this blurred out? Why did I comment this out? Yeah, but it still doesn't. Here I'll last year from 2021 to here. What if I take out this? No. Maybe also it could be that we are actually getting this. I think what's the problem is that we are getting this all the time, like we are not getting this one. So I think I'm gonna try to get yeah, I'm gonna make another reactive here. So here so the last year is defined there, so we have this. Okay, let's have here. I think we need to take these out. Oh yeah, we need to define this again here. So here, then fossil blah 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 in the frame, and then we have to here so have like this. So now that it should understand that this is form. Okay, it's working. It seems slow. Suddenly it's a lot. I think it's suddenly a lot slower, but I think it's working. Like they are of course like lower values now, but and I think I still need to integrate this better to the previous stuff, because they are so there's gonna be so much linking. These are gonna be quite linked together. Oh. Yeah, I wonder if that's enough for today. Yeah, I'm gonna end now. Thanks.